Hey guys, just want to show you that I have a black screen. If you guys can help in any way, please share your thoughts in the comments and I'll try it. It's an HP laptop, Windows 10. It has 8 gigabytes in it, so if you guys can help me, please. And also show that the thing is on, so yeah, if you guys can help, please.